Gwaza mkhonto gwaza, jikijela mkhonto jikijela, phatha ncamalala phatha. Ngiyabingelela bafowethu kulwesibili. Hey, kubhizi kakhulu umuntu kade busy. Thank you very much for your support and keep on following me on my page to get the latest izinto ezenzakalayo enhlanganweni ezenzakalayo emphakathini ikakhulukazi and a little bit of the wind ukuthi kwenzakalani kweyami impilo. Kuyintokozo ke ukuba ngibuye ngize kunina. People have been rushing me ukuthi bafuna ama-update kwenzakalani ku-MK. Number one, I had a great trip overseas when I was in United Kingdom from the Tuesday of the holiday of that holiday up until Sunday. It was a business trip, bakithi bengavumeli ukuthi ngikhiphe izinto ezithile ngiveze izinto ezithile, but it went all well. Thank you very much, and I'm back. And ngibuya zikashisa, ngifike ngithe mengihamba la kwaWino Kaizer Chiefs, mangabe kufika iweekend ngeze kuthiwa khona ababanjwe inkunzi barojiwe, ngabuka no Sundowns, ngabuka no Pirate. But ke that is the sport, guys. We need to be sportmen. Sportsmanship is very, very important, and it's like politics, by the way, whereby we need to understand ukuthi kunama relationship, kunezinto ezenzakalayo, kunokugwazana emva komhlane. You need a thick skin to be a politician. You need to have a very thick skin to be a politician, because you're not gonna survive. This is the word of eat dogs word. Yebo inja idle ninja. Kunjalo nje izinto ehlala eshintsha. Mhlambe ke for those latest update, number one, I need to say ukuthi, as I've said before, ukuthi we're gonna keep on pursuing the case yamavoti arojwa, even if isikhathi sesidlulile 3 months, and I think you've seen ukuthi icala seliphinde lavulwa futhi. We worked hard on that. I personally worked hard on that in getting and gathering the information ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi kukhona ubufakazi. So we keep on getting ubufakazi obusha every day, so which has led to ukuthi liphinde livulwe icala, and we pursue that. That is the first update ukuthi icala lizoqhubeka, although sesisebenzela u2026 no 2029, but the court case iyaqhubeka. Okwesibili, which is the latest update, ukubheka indaba ye like workers desk bekade kuhlangene ku 2 days conference kade ikhona la eThekwini, laphayana kubaba uTB Ngcobo eSangro House, whereby bekunama unions, bekade kunama unions akhona, bekade kunama deliberations amakhulu iholwa usihlalo wayo uKhaida u007 MK okubaba uSibakhulu uDecent Dlamini. So ke kube kuhle kakhulu ukubona ihamba kahle, as much as ngiyingxenye yayo, but angizange ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe iphathi yayo ngoba ngithe ngabuya nginomsebenzi omningi bekumele ngiwenze ngokwebhizinisi ebengilihambele. Number one. Number two, ngokwama personal issues. Number three, nangokwezinye izinto ke 18th uhlangothi lwami as a national spokesperson yo-MK, uhlangothini lwamakhosi abezenkolo nabelaphi bendabuko, kunezinto esiselele emuva ngazo kakhulu, including imbizo kumele ngabe iyahleleka. Ngiyacela nje kubona bonke abanye apart laba enginabo abanama database amakhosi ukuba bangithinte, bakwazi ukuthi bangithumelele those databases, because yawadinga amakhosi. We need to be in contact. Kunezinguquko ezikhona, kunezinto ezikhona, kunembango yehlalo of which selokhu sakubeka ukuthi asingeni kulezo zinto ngoba lonto idilwa zihlahla. Kuya kubheka isihlahla into eyomndeni, ikakhulukazi uma icala sesenkantolo, seke kwahanjwe enkantolo. uMK awukho lana ukuthi uzohlalisa abantu aba-right nabantu aba-wrong, kodwa kuba wonke amakhosi abe in one umbrella under the alliance yawo MK, which is the South African Religious Interfaith and Religious Council. That is where amakhosi akhona. Ngiyazi ukuthi khona nezinye inhlanga ezikhona, ngike ngathola umsindo buqhamuka lapha eMpumalanga, uvela khona ukuthi some of our members are part of MK and part of the psych. They are being labeled as a parallel structure, and I want to confirm that there's no such things as now parallel structures. A parallel structure is something which is registered under someone's name, especially enama banking details omuntu othile bese esezoncika ku MK eseqhubha izinto zika MK. And there's so many people which are doing that. There are so many organizations, there are so many unions, there are so many people who does that. It needs to be clarified ukuthi MK as all we are MK members, including amakhosi swathinta nalawo angekho ngaphansi kuka MK direct but angamalungu emkhandlu ehlukene yamakhosi, indirectly they become part of MK psycha organization, or rather to say umbrella la makhosi agcinwa khona. Kanjalo nabelaphi bendabuko, there are so many inhlaka zabelaphi bendabuko esishayikhwela kubona ukuba mabasithinte basondele eduze kithi kuze sikwazi ukuba sibheke indaba zabo, kukwazi ukuba kulunge lokho okufanele ukuthi kulunge mayelana nabo. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi sebeke batoyitoya, sebeke bashaya uqhankqalazo befuna imfuno zabo nenkulumo enjalo. So sikhona ukuba lokho sikubheke kwi-desk. Ngiyatholakala ke ema-office ami lapho ngihlale ngikhona 90% of the time. Ngiqeda late, ngi-attend ama-case anjalo aphathelene nabela bendabuko, aphathelene namakhosi, kanjalo nabezenkolo. So yes, kweke kwaba khona i-debate kwenye i-group namhlanje emini nje, just to go past uma ngabe kufika one of my dearest friend okwenye inhlangano which is olaphana kagogo efuna ulwazi oluthile ngoba baxakekile, ziyakhala laphana kagogo bafowethu kubi kuba abantu abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, and then like they come to us. And when I raised that issue and khulumile naye ngamchazela ukuthi kwenzakalani, akabuke isithombe esikhulu, which one of the things I've touched ukulethwa kuka Shivambe enhlanganweni, which has to do with 2029, and that one is secretive. It is one of our secret weapon. And abantu bebuza ukuthi how, but ukhona nje uJohn Hlophe nkosi yami oyisekela mongameli, but we need young blood, we need politically astute people. So ke ngizoyisho nje ngiyibeke lapho ngingabe ngisasho okuningi ukuthi 2029 is going to be interesting ngoba khona kaShivambo ehlela ama branches and giving that task yokwakha ama branches and giving ama political lecture and political schools. And siyabona njengamanje ukuthi ngokwa national, we've seen ama national leaders are going around the country, are going around the provinces and the political lectures and they are visible, which confirm into sesike sayisho ngaphambilini ukuthi when it comes to structures are partially put on hold. Wonke ama structures akhona as much as sebenza. That is why sibona kubhizi national, sibhizi njengo national. They've been ama gathering like this past weekend. There was one at Clermont bekade ikhona lapha eClermont ngokwe region yaseThekwini, and we've seen ama like national representatives, and siyabona futhi ukuthi uzophinde futhi kiwe Dumbe kungekudala. So I think we need to take note of that, as much as o convener or organizer nabo bonke bekhona, but bamiswa emva kokhetho until kuze kiwe ku-elective conference, but they are still operating in terms of organizing ngokwama gatherings, but not with full power lawo kade benawo, because they still form part of the political party, and kumele kube khona ama like activities aqhubekelayo. So I just want to touch on that as well. And then apart from that, sibonile kunendoda enkulu esulile kagogo, and I can tell you ukuthi kade abantu befuna ukwazi ukuthi le ndoda njengoba isulile yaphi, and I've clarified ukuthi kwezibhotshozwayo kwezihamba phansi imshosha phansi undercover eyaveza ukuthi uzoba usihlalo weTheku region. So ke sizobona zule kuthiwa basa nalapha kagogo babhizi basamncenga ukuthi makabuye ngakho konke, ukubhala incwadi ehlakazekile, aqale phansi waqala kubaholi nakuma leaders angaphambili esho ungathokozi kwabo bebaningi kabanye benze njalo, kungeyona bodwa bakagogo kodwa nakwezinye inhlangano nalapha na kwi-EFF siyabona kwenzeka into efanayo. Shout out to those members that join us from other political party, amehla besevulekile nakubona sekuze kwasa babona isidingo sawo MK. And lastly ke guys, don't forget ukuthi we are meeting this coming weekend ezinohlonze MK newspaper nakhona kwaba khona umsindo, but the workshop izobe ikhona, will be part of it. Akhona ama-channels akhona ama-channel aranayo ayo ezinohlonze. Sizoba ne-meeting wonke ama-journalist in this coming weekend la eThekwini office eDurban Bay House 333 Durban Bay House eThekwini. Ube ingxenye yawo uzozo okuthile, okunye-ke sobuye sikubambe ayikhale.